Friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech here. In this one I'm going to talk about the latest software update and the first software update in the Realme GT Neo 3T regarding the software update size and features in this device. So as you can see, this is the Realme GT Neo 3T which I'm trying to use in this video, and this is the first software update after unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 3T. And let's see friends, what are the features it got added and what are the things it got fixed in the Realme GT Neo 3T device. So this is update size, which is about 757 MB is update size, and you can see the update version also 8.08. And let's see what are the things which got fixed with this kind of latest update. So first thing is regarding the system security patch, which is updated to the August security patch. After that, optimize the system stability and improved user experience, and optimize the performance in some scenarios, and optimize the clarity of photos in some scenarios as well, and optimize the network performance in some scenarios, and fixed the problematic slow charging speed of third-party PD chargers. So this also got fixed while charging. So I need to test the third-party PD chargers, what they meant. Maybe by using the MI 67 watts charger, something like that. I can definitely try as soon as possible testing out about the PD chargers in the whether it will support or not in this device. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll definitely focus if possible. But overall, these are the quick details and update regarding the Realme GT Neo 3T in terms of the first software update in the device. So right now I'll try to update and I'll try to install it, and meanwhile make sure to follow my channel regularly for more updates and content on the Realme GT Neo 3T device, so which might give a clear idea what's going on with this device. So until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments what are the videos you want me to upload on this device. Until then, stay tuned, and don't forget to check out the videos on other phones like Nothing Phone 1 and Rock Phone 6 as well. So I'll try to create the separate playlist as well for this phone very soon, so where you can access all the videos together in one single playlist. Until then, signing off, thank you for watching and bye.